I'm right here on the last day of the Home Business Summit right here in Singapore. For those of you watching this, if you are sick and tired of your stupid crazy job that you are trading your time for your money and just chasing after somebody else's agenda, this is the event for you. Why? Because during these full 3 days, you're getting a lot of substance. You are meeting multi-millionaires who are just ordinary people, giving you very solid content every single day. Basically, right, they'll be teaching you step by step exactly what they do in order to make their multi-millions, and you will leave this event with an exact clear knowledge of what exactly you want to do from day one after the event. And basically, right, all your doubts will actually be solved. For me, right, when I first came, right, I was thinking whether or not will this be a selling event. People will just keep on selling me stuff and hyping up and just selling a lot of fluff. But at the end of the day, what I get, right, is a step-by-step master plan of what I have to do in order to achieve what they do. And as a result, right, if you're really very serious in making a income, right, a solid income, right, on your own pace, on your own timing, without having to chase around other people, then this is the event for you.
Before I came to the event, I actually thought that maybe it's just going to be fluff or very beginner strategies that's going to be taught. But little did I know that I was actually able to get the chance to speak personally one-on-one with many of the speakers and trainers that were present at the event. And if you're looking to start making money online and you think that you're going to be able to make it simply by buying an ebook or a video course and studying it on your own, okay, don't be like me. That's what I thought. Before that, okay, if you really want the shortcut to start making money online, you really have to speak to the people who have already done it, and they are only going to give you their secrets if you meet them in person.
I've learned a lot. I've met some of the biggest names in internet marketing, like Matt Lloyd, who is the founder of Mob, and Shakir, who's earned more than $800,000 in like 8 months using Mob alone. So if you want to learn how to fast track your success online, I think attending the Home Business Summit is a great way to go.
I'm so thank God and blessed to have this chance that I click on the button, I purchase a ticket, and I'm here in Singapore, the Home Business Summit. So friends, I pray and humbly seek that you will take the courage as well to click on the button, come and journey with us. A journey not only to prosper you, but to nurture you. A journey that not only open your life, open your eyes to the lifestyle that the entrepreneurs is living. So friends, I'm very glad that I came to this event and I learned pretty much that I never learned in the school or in my business.
The biggest takeaway I have from him is that you can achieve anything that you want, and have seen all the speakers who share with us all the strategies, and they are willing to help you to be able to get out of the rat race, get out of the rut. And Really recommend you to come to the Home Business Summit next month.
I learned a lot. The traffic mastery, how to earn top tier commission.
Now, I don't know where you may be inside your life right now. You could be struggling, you could be sitting at home on that laptop and not seem to be getting the results that you want. You could be probably going from business system to system and not getting the results that you're after. Well, let me just invite you to the Home Business Summit, where you'll be able to come and learn from the very best in this industry that are getting the type of results that you want to, introducing to you the shortcuts into how you can go and start to generate the type of money that you want, quit the job, and quit the 9 to 5 that you may be in, or you may be frustrated or confused with whatever it is you're doing. You know what? You can actually fast track your success by attending the Home Business Summit. So I welcome you, and I look forward to seeing you at the next one.